I stay here with Brother Ramon here, and he plays unusual ukulele that not many people play. What is that?
A tiple.
A tiple. How many strings does a tiple have?
10 strings.
It has a double chorus, a triple, and a double chorus. And it's all steel strings, unlike most ukuleles. So, and he's one of them that uses it about half of his music set. So he plays it more often than anybody I ever seen play a tiple. So we're going to demonstrate what a tiple sounds like. By the way, this tiple was made by Aaron Oya, K. Kani. All right.
Sounds of wildlife for the east side of Oahu.
All right, guys.